Here we go. Let's hit some big boys. It's so weird without music now. Rookie orange. Bijan Robinson, rookie dual patch, 3 of 10. That's sick. That is going to the Falcons and J-Beer. It's a very cool patch. 3 of 10 Bijan. Going to the Falcons. To start us off. Next one out. Dennis Rodman on the Donruss Signature Series autograph going to the Bears. Going to the Bears. It's going to Colin. Dennis Rodman on the auto. Yeah, you're not wrong. I just turned it off right before the break. It really is quiet. Finest? This looks like an older card. Devontae Adams, RPA. Going to the Packers. That is player worn as well. Going to Dookie. Devontae Adams, RPA. Very nice. Is Devontae Adams going to be a Hall of Famer? Yes or no? Devontae Adams, is he going to be a Hall of Famer? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Maybe. I had this debate actually a couple weeks ago about it. Jerry Rice on the Finest Greats auto going to the Niners. That's cool. Number to 25 as well. Jerry Rice to 25. Going to the Niners. Is it my system or is the camera extremely close? I can try to back it up for you. I know Nick said it's fine, but I can hold it away a little bit. Make sure if you're on your phone, you get rid of the break that's like in this area so you can see the card. Click the X. Cam Thomas, on-card rookie auto. Going to the Jets. That's the last team. It's going to Chance. Cam Thomas, rookie auto to 99. Is going to the Jets. These ones are not graded, the ones I'm pulling right now. There can be graded cards, though. He does have a nice auto. There can be graded cards, and there will be. How many? I don't know. We'll find out. Rookie King? Nope, Sunday King. Patrick Mahomes on the Sunday King. Going to Kansas City. Going to Dylan. Patty Mahomes. Sunday King. Going to Kansas City. Very nice. Yeah, I know. The last couple times I've been doing breaks, the Chiefs come out last. This is a graded card. This is a graded card. That's sick. And that's one of my favorite players ever. Alex Rodriguez on the auto to 5 out of Topps Luminaries. Going to the Giants. Going to Shannon. Hell yeah. On card, Alex Rodriguez auto to 5. Going to the Giants. That's sick. Should be a Hall of Famer. Don't care what anyone says. That is a Hall of Famer that I just pulled right there. Jaden Daniels, Mint 9 rookie laser. Going to the Commanders. That is going to Josh. Jaden Daniels, rookie laser. Going to Washington. Oh my God. The Chargers sat forever. The Chargers sat forever. Justin Herbert, Quentin Johnston, dual downtown. Going to the Chargers. It's not focusing. Come on. That's going to 10-ounce king. It's not going to focus today. Maybe it'll focus this way. I don't know. I'm trying. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. Put it right there. I think you get the point. Very nice hit. Dual downtown Herbert Quinn Johnson. That should be Ladd. But you know. We take what we get. J.J. McCarthy, rookie auto to 99. Going to the Vikings. There you go, Mark. Hold on to anything J.J. right now. The dude is balling. He had a really good preseason game. And I recommend holding on to his cards. Next 10. That was only 10 boxes. Najee Harris, rookie stained glass. This is a prism stained glass, too. You don't see these too often. Going to the Steelers. Going to JB. Najee Prism, rookie stained glass. Going to the Steelers. You don't see the prism ones. You see the mosaic ones all the time. Got another graded card here. CD Lamb, rookie red wave. Going to the Cowboys, number to 149. Number to 149, going to Dallas. It's going to Jerry. Very nice, Jerry. Every team in this break is a different price. Teams were either 200, 250, or 300. 200, 250, or 300. DK Metcalf on the green rated rookie auto. Going to Seattle. Going to T73. DK green rated rookie auto. Going to Seattle. Very cool, yep. I like that card. You know, I wish Panini did more on card autos. I know for high-end products they do, but that's nice. Keon Coleman, a rookie ticket auto on the Pulsar. Number to 27. That's a nice card. Going to Buffalo. It's going to Mark. I like that one a lot. Going to Mark. Keon's a dog. Down. A.J. Brown on the limited ink auto to 10. Going to the Eagles. A.J. Brown limited ink auto to 10. Going to Stone. Focus. There you go. 3 of 10 A.J. Brown. Going to Philly. Yeah, he's in a lot. Dalton Kincaid comes out a lot. But when you hit that Josh Allen, man, it'll hit. Select. Bijan Robinson, RPA, out of Select, number to 199. 2 Bijans. Let's go to J-Beer. 2 Bijans. Bijan to 10 and an RPA to 199. Very nice. Atlanta tends to hit too, man. They hit a lot. All the autos are like, it says like Panini, like authorized or authentic or something like that. Same thing with like Topps. CMC. Is this 2017? Oh, second year. Still a nice card. CMC on the private signings autograph. Going to the Panthers. It's going to Nathan. Yeah, this autograph is guaranteed by Panini America. It says it right there. CMC auto. Come on. Heat up. Pull another downtown. How about that, huh? CJ Stroud on the blue and orange rookie die cut. Numbered to 35. Very nice. Going to the Texans. That is going to Bino. CJ Stroud, rookie to 35 die cut. That's a nice card. If you can grade that in at least a 9 with that kind of die cut. Wow. Bo Jackson on card 5-star auto for the White Sox. That is going to the Colts. That is going to Hunter. That's sick. I guarantee you Hunter did not expect that card. Bo Jackson on card auto. Going to the Colts. Very cool. This is the halfway point here, guys. Halfway point. Oh, boy. And they sat forever, too. Derrick Henry downtown. Going to the Titans. Going to James. They sat forever. On the international downtown, Derrick Henry. Good start. Good start. All right. Halfway. We still got 20 more. Still got 20 more. Anyone else think it's too quiet or what? That's nice. Donovan Mitchell on card auto to 25. That is going to the Browns. That's a sick card. Out of Topps 3. I've never seen this before. That's a very cool card. Donovan Mitchell auto to 25. Going to the Browns. I don't even know where to put this. Can't cover Bo. Put Bo there. Make sure you guys are grabbing your teams in that next break. Half case break of Contenders Optic. That's sick. Trey McBride, RPA to 15. You got the N and the A on the patch for Cardinals. That's very cool. That is going to Dylan. Trey McBride, RPA to 15. There we go. I feel like I might have seen that card before from my day shift. Really? Dude, I don't know why I love Panini Black. TJ Watt on the Crown Royale auto. Going to the Steelers. That's a double up for Pittsburgh. TJ Watt Crown Royale autograph going to JB. Nice hit. Put it right next to your Najee. Mark, I'm not too sure. Maybe tomorrow. It won't be this exact break, but it would be a cheaper one tomorrow. But we'll see. The Bucks did not hit yet, I don't think. Carmelo Anthony. Is this orange color match? It is. To 199. Oh, I said color match. This is a Nuggets card, not a Knicks. That is going to the Broncos. Carmelo Anthony to 199. Going to the Broncos. Rookie TJ? I don't think so. Oh, it might be. Is this 2017? Is he 2017? It might be a rookie. Did not realize that. Good call on that one. TJ on the rookie auto. Don't fall. I'm not, like, I know most players rookie year. I don't know TJ. Is TJ 2017? Bears. Julius Peppers on the Panini 1 auto. That is number 2. I can't see that. 35. Number to 35, Julius Peppers. On card as well. Going to the Bears. That's another one for Colin. Another one for Colin. Yeah, that's a cool card. Got a graded card here. Chase Brown, Gem Mint 10 Rookie King. Going to Colin and the Bengals. In my opinion, this guy's a hold, man. I think he's going to be really good. He was obviously good last year, but I think he's only going to get better. Chase Brown, Rookie King, Gem Mint 10. I know you can't see it because my camera's in the way, but it's up there. Justin Jefferson on the silver rookie prism. Going to the Vikings. 2020 prism rookie Justin Jefferson silver. I don't know if I said silver like 5 times there, but going to the Vikings. That is Mark to go along with your JJ. Who's this? That's sick. Chris Paul rookie auto. That is going to the Saints. It is the New Orleans Hornets. That is New Orleans. That goes to the Saints. That's sick. Chris Paul rookie auto. Who's got them? Going to Jerry. That's nice. Put that right there. Yes, as every team hits. Yup. We are not running this one again. We might run a similar break like this tomorrow. It would be a little bit cheaper, but similar. Very similar. Ooh. Wow. Jamar Chase, rookie auto to 99. Going to the Bengals. There you go, Colin. There you go, Colin. I know you're stressing a little bit. That's a nice card. Jamar Chase, rookie auto to 99. Love that. That's right. Oh, just threw that box. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. I did not expect a Chris Paul rookie auto for the Saints today. Here we go. It's a manga. Oh, my God. That's sweet. Oh, come on. Focus. Puka Nacua on the manga for the Rams. Going to Shannon. It's not focusing. I'm trying. This camera today. Puka Nacua on the manga. There you go. Going to the Rams. That's got to be the case hit. That's insane. That is insane. This is from this year's Prism as well. Going to the Rams. I'm just going to stand these two up in the middle. TJ. Puka Manga right there. Dual Downtown right there. And that's already open. All right. We have 10 left. We have 10 left. I always pick the wrong break. Uh-oh. I still think there's another nice big card lurking. I mean, obviously, I think that's the case hit. I could be wrong. Mangas are very big, though. And that's a sick card. Chuba Hubbard RPA. On the gold to 15 out of Panini 1. Chuba Hubbard RPA. That's a cool card. Panthers with 2. Going to Nathan. 1,600 in a PSA 9. Oh my God. Grade it. I mean, I could probably look after. I'm not going to lie, though. From a quick glance, just like that, the corners looked pretty good. I can only tell you corners. I have no idea about surface, centering. Some cards I could tell in centering, but some I can't. Honeycomb. Bucky Irving on the rookie honeycomb. Going to Tampa Bay. That's going to Drake. Bucky Irving, rookie honeycomb. Going to Tampa. Down. George Kittle on the Vanta. I love these cards. Out of Panini Black, George Kittle, Vanta, case hit. Going to the Niners. That is going to T73. Very nice. I don't know. I'm just covering everything at this point. Couple left. This break's been crazy. Tyreek Hill on the micro mosaic going to the Dolphins. I love micro mosaics. Going to the Fins. That is going to Brian. Nice hit, Brian. Tyreek. Raiders and Ravens still waiting. All right. Well, there's the Ravens. That's actually a sick one. Zay Flowers on the pink prism rookie auto. Going to the Ravens. There's your Zay Flowers. Have a break. I'm right here. I don't feel like reaching to the top. Devontae Smith on the rookie auto. Number 225. That's going to the Eagles. Couldn't find the number. Devontae Smith, rookie auto to 25. It's not going to focus, but that's going to the Eagles and Stone. 4 left. I think we still have a nice card lurking. I do. This break's been already nuts. A-Rod to 5. Puka on the manga. Herbert and Quentin Johnson duel. Derrick Henry downtown. But I think there's something. Drake May on the Prodigies rookie auto. Going to the Patriots. There you go, Jerry. That's your guy. Drake May, finest Prodigies rookie auto for the Pats. They were waiting too. Brian wants the Lions. Sam Laporta on the blue shimmer autograph. Going to the Lions. Color match to 25. Going to Brian. Sam Laporta blue color match auto to 25. 2 left. Who's this? Oh, that's sick. Travis Hunter, rookie auto, out of Score, going to the Jags. Going to Jerry. My first time pulling him in a repack break. Travis Hunter, rookie auto. Very nice. I'm covering half of downtown there, but you know. Last card of the break. I think this has to be a Raider, right? Yeah. I think it has to be a Raider. Here we go. There he is. Josh Jacobs, kaboom. Going to the Raiders. Told you there was a card lurking. Told you. Josh Jacobs on the kaboom to close out the break. Going to the Raiders. Guys,